I have a really cool unboxing video for you today, and it is the Diana F Plus from Lomography, designed by Cai Guo-Qiang. The packaging is really cool. Down here it's got sort of some of his art. It shows you around the box. And basically he does some really cool like gunpowder art. That's a picture of him himself. Here's the camera itself. It's actually really lightweight. It's a lot more lightweight than I expected. This is the attachment for the flash, which I think you can use a regular flash with this attachment too. And then the Diana F Plus book. I was kind of excited just for the book too, because it's a really, really nice book. These are filters that you can put over the flash, color filters. There's different colors. You just basically slide them in over the flash and you can have flashes with different colors. And then an instruction booklet. So overall it's a pretty cool package, pretty cool camera, and I can't wait to start shooting with it.